So now in this example, we're doing a transformation. So we're starting with this graph, and then we're transforming it and ending up with this graph, okay? So it says the slope of the function on the left is multiplied by p. So before I move any further, I'm going to figure out the slope of this thing. It looks like it crosses here, and it looks like it crosses here. So I'm going to go up 1 and over 1, 2. So that means the slope of this thing, the slope of this is equal to the rise, which is 1, over 2. And now let's figure out the slope of this thing. So if I look at the slope here, I'm going to go down 1, 2. That's a negative 2. And it looks like it crosses here, so I'm going to go over 1, 2. But that's a positive 2. So the slope of this bad boy is equal to negative 2 over 2. Wait a second. That's the same as negative 1 over 1, which is negative 1. All right. Then it says Q is added to the y-intercept to arrive to the function at the x. So right here, I'm going to look at this y-intercept, which is b. b is equal to the y-intercept, which is 1. And then over here, I'm going to look at this y-intercept. That y-intercept, where it crosses the y-axis, is when y equals negative 2. So I got to figure out what I'm doing. So p, in other words, 1, let me write this out a little better. So my transformation is p times 1/2 has to equal negative 1. And so that's a p. And then q is added to the original y-intercept, which is 1. And that has to equal the final y-intercept, which is negative 2. So now to find these, I'm just going to do a little bit of algebra. So to get rid of the 1/2, I multiply by the reciprocal. I multiply by 2. And whatever I do on one side of the equal sign, I have to do on the other side. And so 1/2 of 2 is 1. That gives me p is equal to 2 times negative 1, which is negative 2. And then over here, I got to solve for q. So I just subtract 1 from both sides, and I get q is equal to negative 3. So I think option D is our answer. And let me see. Yep. So there's that.